Hi guys, Aniq here.
Hi guys, Aniq here.
So welcome to our channel, K2M, Toys Unboxing and Reviews. So we have finally gotten our Nerf gun. So I got a Modulus Regulator here.
And I got my Nerf gun that I always wanted, a Nerf Predator. So his is very large and it has so much pieces. Mine has some pieces on the back. You can do stuff here. His, you can do more.
So now let's try.
Whoa.
That was only single fire. So I'll stand up.
Okay,
I'll move over here so you can see the gun. And ready?
Hey, you want to do burst fire now?
So now let's try burst fire.
I got it.
There, burst fire.
Let's now go on rapid fire.
Rapid fire.
How fast will that go?
It shoots literally like a machine
It's up.
gun.
So this is now my gun. So this is my front of my gun. This is my side of my gun. And this is my side of my gun. So let's look at the back.
So you can see Ovi has gotten a Nerf Elite and Strike Retaliator.
Yeah. So now let's get unboxing.
Whoa. Oh, you guys are still there, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.
And please like this video.